Okay, no buzz. You want your Spotify to look like this, right? Don't worry, I got you. Let's get straight into it. First things first, make sure your Spotify is downloaded from the official Spotify website, the .exe file. If you grabbed it from the Microsoft Store, sorry, this won't work. So download the proper version. I'll drop the link below. Now click the other link in the description and you'll land on a site that looks like this. Hit install now. If you're on Windows, follow the Windows section. If you're on Linux or Mac OS, follow those steps instead. Since I'm on Windows, that's what I'll be showing here. Copy the code by clicking this button, then open PowerShell and paste it in. Let it run. If it asks, do you want to install Spicetify Marketplace? Just type Y and press enter, then it's just a little waiting game. When it's done, open Spotify again. You'll see something new here. That's the Spicetify Marketplace. Click it and boom, you're in. Now, if this is your first time using Spicetify, I recommend downloading Adblockify to remove all those annoying ads. Also check out Beautiful Lyrics. It makes the lyrics look clean and synced word by word with the song. Trust me, it's dope. All right, here's the fun part. Go to Themes, scroll down until you find Text Dark Themer, and click Install. Just like that, you've got this terminal-style ASCII look for Spotify. If you look beside the search icon, you can even switch themes on the fly. Try Catppuccin Mocha for that cozy aesthetic, or Gruvbox, or even Dracula. Personally, I'm sticking with Catppuccin Mocha since it matches my setup. You can also check the installed section to see all the extensions, snippets, and apps you've added, and uninstall anything you don't like. As you can see, the whole UI has changed. The logo, the font, everything. Now it's rocking a nice mono-spaced terminal vibe. And if you ever want to uninstall it, no worries. Just go back to the website, find the Uninstallation section, copy that code, paste it into PowerShell, and you're back to normal. And that's it. Your Spotify just leveled up. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more setups like this, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I'll be there to help. Thanks for watching. Take care and peace.